Namaskar. I am Dr. Sadhana Gupta. It is an honor to stand before you as FOGSI Presidential candidate election going to happen from 1st August to 10th August. In my dedicated 30 years selfless journey in profession as well as in FOGSI, I have been variedly experienced as I have worked in different sectors of our country, be it a private sector, government medical college, special sector like railways and the corporate sector. I have imbibed the challenges which OB/GYN face in the diverse sectors of our healthcare system. As a FOGSI presidential candidate, this is my mission that we create a bond of unity and belonging among all obstetricians and gynecologists who are working at different cadres and in different sectors, because unity and the sense of belonging across the specialties and across the different health sector and across the region is one of the very important thing which make our federation very strong. Do remember to vote for me and stay together. Thank you very much.